Hello everyone, here is this Heil Quiet Comfort. 3 big fan blades. It has the blades that to be replaced with 3 Revcur blades. Yeah, comforting, efficient. GE commercial fan motor and a sound blanket. Pretty cool blades. I'm not actually loving those blades on this Quiet Comfort. Star 410A refrigerant, and it's from 2009. This is 1992. No, it's a June of 2009. Yeah. Look at this. Pretty cool unit. Okay, the running's gonna start. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. It has no logo, but it is a Heil Quiet Comfort, so out.